So we're buttering our cast iron skillet and getting that hot. Buttering. Greasing it. What are you using? Oh, shortening.
I am using shortening.
That's what we use. Sorry, it's not butter. I'm starting over.
No butter.
We're using some all vegetable shortening to mix in with our cornmeal,
Flour and salt and baking powder.
Salt and baking powder. Okay. Over here, we used a little bit of that vegetable stuff in our cast iron to grease it up. That's heating up. Boom.
I'm quite messy.
Quite messy. So what are we doing right now? Just getting all the clumps out?
Yeah. Squashing it down in there.
Squashing the clumps.
Squashing. See?
That's some good squashing hands you got.
Yeah.
Well, you've done this a few times.
I have. A few thousand times probably. I just put a tiny bit of sugar to cut the little taste.
Okay. A little sweetness. Okay, so you just want like a thin layer of the shortening around.
Yeah, you just want a little bit in there to coat the pan so your cornbread doesn't stick.
Okay.
That's all you're doing.
You got some beans going.
Yeah.
Some rice.
Now you're gonna put an egg in here and milk.
Okay. Nope. Nice trade-off. Ooh, that's pretty.
I am. I'm messy. Messy.
It's part of the experience.
Milk.
So, what are these measurements? Is it just one of those till you like the
Use
consistency?
like a cup of cornmeal, a cup of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, about a half a teaspoon of salt,
Okay.
an egg, and I just put enough. I just keep mixing the milk in until I think I have enough. Yeah.
Okay. That's what I do with my mashed potatoes.
I never measure the milk. That's the one thing I don't measure it. Grandpa doesn't like as much liquid as I do. I like more liquid.
He likes, so whenever it cooks, if there's more liquid in it, it just makes like a more moist.
I think it does.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
It's very good, Alex. Actually.
Thanks. I've made cornbread before. Not like this.
Really?
Not like this. I use the box.
The Jiffy?
Yes.
It's like cake.
I cheat. I make Jiffy. But I put...
I love Jiffy, but see, Grandpa doesn't.
I put
too
mayonnaise.
Sweet.
I put mayonnaise in my cornbread.
Do you really?
And it just adds a little bit of oil, you know? And
Yeah.
kind of like the
probably
shortening
better
that you
than all
use.
the shortening.
And it adds a
Probably
little
better
oil
for you.
and like the egg, you know?
Yeah.
And it just makes it, I don't know, it stays moist. Like the oil doesn't dry out.
But just a little bit more. Not a whole lot. There we go. Maybe that's in there. I'm trying to preheat my oven, but I put it on a little late.
What do you preheat the oven to?
425.
Okay.
How long does it take it to cook?
25 minutes.
So 420 for 25 minutes?
425.
Okay. 425 for 25 minutes. Gotcha.
I'm not sure I have enough salt in here.
How do you know?
I don't, because I never taste it. You know, I never taste
'cause
the
it has like a
batter.
raw egg in it?
It's kind of an iffy thing. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Okay.
Starting to squash. Beans. Cornbread about to go in the oven. Open that door.
Mm-hmm. 20 minutes.
25.
25. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I gotta get a
Huge,
pan.
that's a big oven. Ooh.
I hope it's done.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Every time I see my pictures.
I know.
Okay, I won't put
You're
your face in
looking
it.
good.
I'm very proud of it.
I won't put your face in it, Momo. So we're buttering our cast iron skillet and getting that hot. Buttering. Greasing it. What are you using? Oh,
I am
shortening.
using shortening.
Where'd you get this recipe from? Or like, how do you know how to make cornbread so well?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Nope.
Just something you acquired over the years?
I guess so.
Your grandma didn't make it anything?
I don't know. No idea. Where you going?
Hide on the backwood.
Hide on the back porch. Okay.
Love you.
Hey, Mama,
Huh?
I just thought of something.
What's that?
I got a shed full of boxes. Y'all ain't gotta go nowhere.
Where you got boxes?
I got them pulled apart and sitting in the back. I can pull them out, put them back together in a heartbeat.
Please do it.
Don't do it.
For what? To put all that stuff up?
No, just the fruit, I'm gonna take it out.
Oh, okay. Oh, like as a donation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pam,
So,
can you do me a favor? Yeah. all
We had a
that-
garage sale for
all that
everybody
stuff in
else.
my garage all them days.
But at least someone's coming to pick it up and then it'll be gone.
I know. I'm like, Pam, I'm using that pan. Pam put it in there.
I think that's losing it.
I think I am.
Allie, take a video for getting the
Watch
butter.
out,
I mean, get her face too. Yeah, she does.
No, she doesn't. She can. No, we don't need that. Y'all should have seen me cooking the breakfast this morning. I had such a mess.
Mom, this is rich. You need this by chance too.
Hmm? No.
Do you think she would put grits in her cornbread?
On accident. Do you think she That's something you would do.
Wait.
I might would since I
yeah.
actually
Do you
coated
think-
my skillet.
Mom was like, yeah, you did that. She was like, no. I didn't do that. I did that. I was like,
Are you sure?
You just did it.
Are you sure? You're sure? You're sure? I think I had too much coffee this morning.
As she picks up the whiskey spoon. The caffeine's setting in.
Caffeine's definitely setting in. Something's setting in.
It's the aggressive whiskey.
I know.
So is that like the right consistency right there?
Yeah, pretty much.